Alright guys, so I'm about to go sledding right now. Alright, so yep, my brother's going sledding as well. I'm pretty sure I could fit in this. Or yeah, but you know, we hit the other sled, but I think this sled's good. You know what? Let me go to where the hill's slightly steeper. My brother's done with like over there. I might even try that hill over there, but I'm pretty sure this is like the best part of the hill right over here. Like maybe I'll try to slide all the way down there when my brother like moves maybe, but yeah, I'm like really starting to fall right over here, so let's tell this is a good spot. Alright. Definitely could have gone further if I got pushed, but you know. Like sloping down the hill. Alright, that hill's really steep, but this part definitely has to be even steeper because it's just short. Like that part's longer, but this part's short and steep, so it's better, we're pretty sure. It's like really cold out. It's like 16 degrees. So me not wearing a glove is like pretty painful and cold because it's like 16 degrees out right now. Alright, landed just a few feet from the track. See if I can even get up this hill. Well, I knew I'd slip on that. Alright. I managed to get up, or almost.